Are you a lover of Semovita swallow, but you don't know how to get around it, even as a single portion, not to talk of a large quantity portion? Well, just stay right back and watch this video till the end, as I'm about to take you through how to make the swallow called Semovita for a very large number of people, or even for yourself as an individual. Yes, this was done for a birthday party. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is cubes out. On here we teach you how to make mouth-watering dishes without seasoning cubes, as the MSG content in them is not healthy for you. Okay, so if this is your very first time of joining my channel, thank you so much, and please kindly consider being a part of us by just tapping the red subscribe word below and turn on the notification bell for updates each time I have a new video up here. All these, thank you so much. So let's just dig straight into this video. So many people love swallow apart from fufu, the likes of semovita, wheat. But the hard thing there is that they find it very difficult to, cook these things, as you have to cook them before you can be able to eat them. Most times after cooking, you have a lot of lumps in them. It's just because you've not followed the right steps. So here we are teaching you how you can do that and achieve a very smooth swallow. So the very first thing that was done here was to use cold water. You take out some quantity of this semovita and melt it in cold water, and then you already look at it being melted in cold water, and then you already have your hot water boiling. In the hot water, you add some vegetable oil so that the thing can be sticky at the end of the day. Now, after it has been turned for a while, right in the hot water there, you use your sieve and then scoop out the lumps. You just do this, so that you'll be able to scoop out lumps if there are any. And this is what we got from this one. After that, it's still boiling. You now start adding the remaining of the Semovita to the one that is already boiling. At this point, no matter the quantity of the one still remaining that you're adding into this pot, it will never get lumpy. It will never get lumpy. You just keep turning, you're adding, you're adding until you exhaust the powdery one. Yeah, the ones that is not already in the hot water, until you exhaust it. You see how they are doing it? They are turning as they are adding. You're turning as you're adding. The reason for melting in cold water and pouring into the hot boiling water is to, use that one as a base on which you're now going to be adding the rest of the powdered ones, so that at this point it will never get lumpy. And look at our beautiful girl, beautiful young chap doing this for us. Just to know, Ramo, show your face. Show your face. Now, small baby, now she dey cook. She said she today eat. She made this whole thing that about how many number of persons ate in the birthday party event. Wow. So at this time, she was done with the stirring and adding of the remaining powdered one. She just added cold water and cover it to boil. And after some minutes, it was well cooked, and she's about to give it the final stirring, the final mixture, so that everything can combine and come out very, stretchy, very stretchy and nice, guys. So when you cook it very well, it's going to be lump free, it's going to be stretchy, and it won't be sticky to your hands. You see how nicely it's already looking? And the texture is so nice. So it is done and is being taken out of the cooker. Now it's time to wrap it in the nylon, and that is exactly what she has been doing here. So you just cut your nylon open any way you want to cut it, and you use that Bella to just cut some portion, mold it right there in the pot, and then put it in the nylon and still mold it the shape that you want. At the end of the day, when this thing gets very cold, it still be very soft and stretchy and non-sticky to your hands. You see how nicely it is looking. This is how you can achieve a very delicious Semovita swallow for yourself or for a crowd of people if you have events, or if you're the type that cook for events. Yeah. Okay guys, this is where we'll call it a day until I see you in my next video. Please stay safe and bye bye.